Next week, specifically on November 1 and November 2, as we celebrate the All Saints' Day and All Souls' Day, many of us will be doing what we yearly do, and that is to visit the cemeteries, to visit our departed ones buried in those cemeteries. May I suggest that when you visit your loved ones in cemeteries or ossuary or columbarium, do not just remember them. Do not just pray for them. As you look around, remind yourself also that one day that will what happened to us. There is a church in Florence where there is a crucifix, and at the bottom of the crucifix is a skull, bungo. And near the skull, there is the following sentence in Latin, but I will translate in English. What you are, I once was. What I am, you one day will be. Mas maganda po sa Tagalog eh. Ako ngayon, bukas kayo naman. And this is not meant to scare us, but rather to remind us that our life here on earth is temporary. We are in a journey, we are traveling, and this is not our real home. Our real home is with God in heaven. And that is why the Lord in the gospel today is reminding us, gird your loins and light your lamps. Be like servants who await their master's return from a wedding, ready to open immediately when he comes and knocks. So ang sinasabi ng Panginoon, maging lagi kayong handa. Maging lagi kayong handa sapagkat kahit anong sandali ay pwedeng magbago ang takbo ng inyong buhay. Kahit anong sandali ay pwede niyang kunin ang ipinahiram niyang buhay sa atin. I think that's a very important word, ipinahiram. Hindi tayo ang may-ari ng ating buhay. Pahiram lang ito sa atin ng Diyos. At kahit anong oras, pwedeng sabihin ng Diyos, akin na ang buhay na ipinahiram ko sa iyo. And so instead of being fearful, that death is coming or death will come, Saint John Paul II is telling us during his inaugural Mass, during which he delivered his first homily as a Pope, he said, do not be afraid. Open your doors to Christ. Open wide your hearts to Christ. Huwag kayong matakot. Buksan nyo ang inyong mga puso kay Jesus upang si Jesus ay makapasok sa inyong buhay. Hayaan ninyong si Jesus ang maghari sa buhay niyo. Hayaan niyong si Jesus ay manahan sa buhay niyo. Kung si Jesus ay nananahan sa buhay ninyo, wala kayong dapat ikatakot. Actually, if Jesus lives in us, we will be more than happy to see Jesus coming. Kung namumuhay sa atin ng Panginoon, ikagagalak natin ang kanyang pagdating. So, let us remember what we are for, why we are here, and where is our real home, which is heaven. Amen.